I'm on a day tour from Ao Nang to the hot springs and waterfalls here in the Krabi Province in Thailand. I love it. I'm so excited. Highly recommend it. And I don't mind getting in a hot spa in hot weather. I was picked up from my hotel door at 8:30 a.m. and into a minivan. I'm on a half-day Krabi jungle tour. This is a very popular thing to do in Krabi and Ao Nang. I booked from a tour agent on the street in Ao Nang. There are many agents. Just walk down the street, pick one, book, pay, and get your ticket. This is a half-day tour, 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. it says on the brochure. Plus pick up earlier and drop off possibly later. This day tour cost 1,800 baht. It includes pick up and drop off from the hotel, hot stream waterfall and the emerald pool and lunch. There are options on jungle tours to also do kayaking, tiger temple, AV riding or elephants. Today I'm only doing the hot stream waterfall and emerald pool. I was picked up from my hotel door at 8:30 a.m. and into a minivan. I am the only solo person on this tour and I'm the oldest by a long way. The only one over 35, but who cares? I'm having fun anyway, it doesn't matter what age I am. The Krabi Province is in southern Thailand. Many people slept on the bus. Me, I like to see as much as I can on every travel journey that I go on. Every taxi, every bus, every train, even if the bus ride is like 5 hours, 10 hours long, I will look out the window for every second of it. I'm not looking at my phone, I'm not reading a book, I want to see as much as I can. Let me know in the comments, do you sleep on a bus tour, a long bus ride, or do you look out the window and see everything at every moment? So it was a 2-hour drive from the pickups in Ao Nang till we got here at the car park, and we've got 1 hour here. The hot springs and waterfall entrance fee is 200 baht per person. The entrance fee is included in the tour price I paid. The hot springs are open from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. So it's about a 400-metre walk from the car park down to the waterfall. Oh, it's a lovely walk. There are toilets and change rooms here. So there's the hot springs. Been advised to go to the waterfall first and then come back to the hot springs. So I'm headed to the waterfall first. Wow, it is beautiful here. I can hear the water. Okay, here we are. People everywhere. There are no lockers here. Find a spot on the ground, on a little seat or in a tree to put your bags and your things. The ground is very wet and slippery and very rocky. It is not easy to walk on with bare feet at all. I'm keeping my sandals on. It is beautiful here. All this water is hot, like a hot bath. It's like 38 degrees. Absolutely beautiful. It's the waterfall, hot water coming down the springs there. I'm gonna have to check it out. To move between the pools in the waterfall, you have to be very careful. It's very rocky and it's a little bit sharp and slippery. Hands down and on all fours, hanging on to move around. The hot springs were busy when I walked past before, but they're empty now. Those tours must have already left. There are showers here too. This water is 38 degrees in the main pool and 40 degrees in the smaller one. Really hot. Oh, I'm just gonna just for a minute. Ooh. This one's 40 degrees. That 2 degrees makes a difference. Jeez, it was really quite hot. There are lots of rules, but they all make sense. They're all good. It's beautiful. Highly recommended. Some photos to send back home by a kind lady on the tour. So I think next time I will get my own driver here and spend hours here. You could spend a couple of hours here easy. You know, spend a lot more time in the waterfall, all the little pools. You could go down the waterfall into the bottom springs. You can get a massage next to the waterfall, and there's restaurant and food here. And there's nature walks as well, which would be beautiful to do. So my advice, 1 hour, it's not really enough, but it's still worth coming to have a look and have the experience. It was amazing and beautiful in those spas. There was nowhere to put your gear, your bag. You just had to pop it on the ground next to the spas. Getting in the waterfall springs was really slippery and really rocky and a little bit sharp. I kept my shoes on to go in there. A lot of people did. Yeah, it's very tricky getting in and out. And keep your balance, not slip, not fall, not hurt yourself. So just keep your shoes on, get some waterproof shoes, and take it easy and slow. There's a lot of people in those waterfall hot springs, like a lot. Next, from here, we're driving to the Emerald Pool. More pools and natural springs in the jungles of Thailand. I love it. I'm so excited. I am just absolutely in my element. I love the outdoors. I love the nature. I love the jungle. I love the natural environment. And this hot weather is lovely. It's like 32 degrees. Hot, humid. And I don't mind getting in a hot spa in hot weather.
Oh my God.
So there's a lot of buses here, a lot of tours, a lot of mini buses, and they all look exactly the same, like exactly. So our tour guide recommended to take a photo of the license plate of the vehicle and remember the people. I'm not very good at remembering faces at all, so I took a photo of the number plate. When travelling solo, there's no one else to help me. There's no one else going to say that I'm lost or missing. No one else going to help me remember who the guide was or who the bus was. I gotta remember all on my own. It's one thing about travelling solo. It's easy to get lost on tours. There's no one to help you and no one to go, hey, my friend's missing. No one knows I'm missing. Hopefully they count. Sometimes they count. Anyway, take a photo of the license plate and the guide. We're nearly back at the bus. And be on time back to the bus. There's a food court here too. I didn't see this bus when I arrived. I saw it when I got back to the van and time to leave. Although the sign says sightseeing car 20 baht, so maybe that's the sightseeing car. There's a shuttle bus. On the way to the emerald pools in the jungle in Krabi. It's a 15-minute drive from the hot stream waterfall. To be continued. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video and Thailand solo travel adventures. Happy travelling, travel safe and enjoy the journey. Please subscribe for more travel vlogs and more travel guides.